Miario ya uiguano na irathii nambere nyumbaini ya bomas ni mubango wa wakinaniirio guothe matuuraini agithingata akenya gukorwo makimihimbiria. Mudavadi ni augite ati miario ino no kinyagia ithingate maria makoretwo makiendekithio. Ningi agikoretwo akiuga ona gutarie uguo kigina kiria igukorwo ikihũthĩka no nginya kana no nginya mengo no ikuga ati no kinya thedi o yothe ihũthĩke na njĩra ya uigĩrĩrĩku.
This is a curious century and business retreat.
And then this is more on our operations because as you go out, you have to.
Only a few months ago, in fact a few weeks ago, Kenyans were putting a lot of pressure that they want dialogue, that they want a conversation. They were saying Maandamano is hurting them, so they want a conversation. Now, this conversation is taking place. And I'm happy that it has gone through a process where it is now validated as a parliamentary process. Okay? Now, if it is a parliamentary process, the entity that appropriates funds is Parliament. It is not anywhere else. It is Parliament. So, Parliament can appropriate the resources based on what they looked at as an evaluation of what could come and build up. So they have put some proposition on the table, and I can tell you that these funds are not immune to the audit of the Auditor General. It's public money. It's not immune to the audit process of the Auditor General. Equally, to appropriate any funds, it must be consistent with the Public Finance Management Bill, or Public Finance Management Act, not Bill, Act, which is in law, which stipulates how resources can be utilized and for what purpose they can be utilized. So as far as I'm concerned, the appropriation is not a problem. The allocation is a problem. What we might argue is that we hope and trust that they will do everything in accordance with the law so that there will be no audit queries by the Auditor General.